everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you guys this makeup tutorial that is inspired on the holidays like Christmas and all that stuff. So I decided to create this look right here. It's very simple and chic and it's easy to do. You can do it like literally 20 minutes if you have 20 minutes of your day to get ready for Christmas. Then this is the makeup tutorial you guys want to do. I think it's super cute and you know, the holidays inspired me, and I used the holiday collection for the Profusion palette, which I love this palette. I've been loving this palette, honestly, and I think you guys should check it out. But other than that, let's get into the video. Guys, so like you guys saw, it was really simple to do. The camera kind of cut off on the bottom lash line, which I just put the color that I'm going to be showing you guys here. My lip combo is Willow from Wet n Wild and this lip gloss I got at the local hair store. That's basically it that you guys have missed out. The lashes are from eBay. No, not eBay. AliExpress. They will be linked in the description box down below as well if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. But other than that, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Christine and I really hope you're here to stay. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And if you've been here and you're an OG, welcome back and thank you again for supporting yet another video. And then I just want to let you guys know to turn on your post notifications because YouTube obviously likes not notifying a smaller YouTuber's notifications. But other than that, you guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for supporting this video. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys on Friday's tutorial. Bye. Friday's video.